Let's show you what to do. Got a bad bitch, show me I'ma leave with you. If I walk up in the party, motherfuckers better move. If a motherfucker try me, I'ma put him on the news. Goddamn, I don't want no fucking bitch, cause I came in the club with ayy, watch out, motherfucker, cause I'm looking for a lick. Got diamonds on my wrist, brass knuckles on my fist. I'm slapping motherfuckers in the face in the bitch. Might hit him in the head, I got 100 in the clip. Wait, little bitch, don't want that. I'ma put a blade through his chest like a thumb like now. This chopper gon' have a running, but fucking on this bitch, I'ma fuck up his head. Coming, got a bad little bitch, the grip, shit up to something. I'ma walk up in this bitch, I don't care if they tell me come in. Cause I gave that bitch, and I'm looking for a body. I feel like murder is a motherfucking hobby. And I'm coming off the top, feeling like I'm Jafari. I'm blood on the dance floor, broke up in the party. Put on my shirt from the vendetta. I saw him in the face, my boot nuts don't get off. Heads up, I'm getting fed up. Pull up with the gun and mark your head up, bitch.
Говори, ебальник.
Hey guys, welcome to this video. That's the first time you, I think you'll see me in Japan. Might turn up here because there's a really busy street back there, so you can understand me a little better. But yeah, welcome to this is the first Japan video. Right now I've just been to Upgarage, just wanted to check it out, and currently I'm walking back to the dorm. So yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's like I'm so overwhelmed with like everything that I see and that I hear, and like because I don't speak that much Japanese, so I really have to learn a lot at uni. So like for example, these vending machines, they're like everywhere. I'm sure you know them, but yeah, you can get like drinks for kinda cheap. No, not that cheap, but it's okay. And yeah, I've just for the last few days I've just been exploring like Chiba or in Tokyo with my friends. We've been to Shibuya and Shinjuku already, and I also maybe this weekend, or I don't know when I will upload this video, but maybe this weekend I'll go check out Akihabara, and like yeah, and like I'm also thinking about streaming a live stream, but I don't know if I'm like extrovert enough to do that in front of people. I'm already kind of embarrassed running around with my camera. Yeah, I'm not really sure like how regular or how like on time my videos will be, because I have no real like plan what kind of videos I want to film. I mean, I have many ideas, but I don't know in like which time period I can record them. So yeah, you can just be excited that there will be a lot of videos coming out, but I can't say yeah, I will upload every week or something. I will try to, but like I can't promise anything. So yeah, I have to now find my way back to Chiba station and take the train home. And yeah, already Upgarage is a sick place, because you can get like used parts and stuff. Alright then, I'm heading back home right now, and yeah, I have to say it was really an amazing trip. I even found like a coilovers for the MR2 at the first Upgarage I ever went to in my life. They had I think it was Tyne. Oh no, it wasn't Tyne. Oh, I didn't remember, but I will put it in a clip. Maybe HKS. I have to check. Yeah, a coilover set for the MR2, so that's pretty amazing. And yeah, I don't want to stretch out the video too much. I'd say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.